Let me show you how to make or how to use Bolero with a soda streamer. Very simple. This bottle makes around 700. I would not put Bolero into the bottle, but what I would do is, let's say, maybe a little bit of apple. I sprinkle a little bit here. Oh, it smells amazing, like real apple. And I add a bit of soda. It bubbles up like everything. With the soda, mix it up and fill it up with soda. A little bit of ice, and that's it. Kids love apple flavor, and they don't know the difference that this is made of Bolero powder or you actually bought it from the shop. Enjoy!